10 miles per hour. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s inland, but only in the upper 70s near the lake. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s in the south. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 561, effective until midnight Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Green, Rock, and Wauer. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is